In this video tutorial, we will discuss creating specialized discussions. Angel has a variety of options for your discussions. You can choose between 5 different options to most effectively use the discussion forum in your courses. Normal discussions were covered in a different video tutorial. This video tutorial will discuss private journals, private team journals, hot seat, fishbowl, and post first. Let's create a new discussion. Go to your Modules tab and go into the folder in which you would like to create a new discussion. Click Add Content. Select Discussion Forum and type in a title. These tabs, Access and Post Permissions, were covered in the previous video tutorial. Let's skip straight to the Interaction tab. Post first discussions require that students submit an initial discussion post before they can have access to fellow students' postings. This is a good way to ensure a student understands the material before reading through other students' posts and forming an answer from their work. Select the drop box for mode and select Post First. All other settings can be done similar to that which you selected for the normal discussion mode. The remaining 4 discussion modes require the use of teams. Hot seat mode is designed so that one student gets questioned by other students on a particular topic. Hot seat uses teams, so please review the Teams video tutorial if you are unfamiliar. Students or teams in the hot seat read and reply to topics posted by other students or teams, but may not post new topics themselves. Select the drop box next to Mode and select Hot Seat. Then select Configure. Select the team that will be on the hot seat and select the teams that will not be on the hot seat and will be asking questions of the team on the hot seat. You can use the teams created using the team editor or create and edit teams in the discussion forum. Click OK when the teams are selected. All other settings in the Content, Access, Post Permissions, and Assignment tab are done similar to those in the normal discussion mode. Fishbowl mode is one in which selected students or teams participate in the discussion, while other selected students or teams may only view the discussion. They may not post or reply. This discussion mode also requires the use of teams. Please see the Teams video tutorial if you are unfamiliar. In the Interaction tab, select the drop box next to Mode and select Fishbowl mode. Next, click Configure. Once again, you will need to select Teams. The team selected to be in the fishbowl will be able to post and reply. Teams selected to be out of the fishbowl will only be able to read. They will not be able to post any responses. You can create teams or edit teams from here or use the teams you created in your Teams editor. When you've selected your participants, click OK. Fill in the other tabs as you were instructed in the Discussion Creation video tutorial. The Private Team Journal is a discussion mode in which posts by team members and instructor replies are only visible to team members and instructors. This discussion mode also requires the use of teams. Please review the Teams video tutorial if you are unfamiliar with creating teams. On the Interaction tab, select Private Team Journal. We need to set Team Access on the Access tab. Select the drop box next to Team Access and click Selected Teams. Select the team you would like to have access to this discussion forum. Teams that are not selected will not have access to the content of this discussion forum. Fill in the Content, Post Permission, Interaction, and Assignment tab in the same way you were instructed in the normal discussion mode video tutorial. Private user journal discussion modes are similar to the private team journal, except in this case the teams will consist of one user and all posts and replies are viewable only by that one user and the instructor. In the Mode drop box, select Private User Journal. On the Access tab, select Team Access, and Selected Teams, and select the team that student is a part of. All other teams will not have access to the content of this discussion forum. Fill in the content, post permissions, interaction, and assignment tabs similar to the way we instructed you in the normal discussion mode video tutorial. Regardless of the discussion mode you select, please make sure to fill in the Content tab, Title, Subtitle, and Directions field, as well as the Access, Post Permissions, Interaction tab, and link the assignment to the gradebook the way you were directed in the Creating a New Discussion video tutorial. When you have completed filling in those tabs, select Save, and your new discussion is all set.